Karen. Those are David's trucks. So it's okay for him to play with them because they're his.
David, are you playing catch with Uncle Paul?
No, right now I'm playing with my tracks, Mommy.
And eating my ball.
And my ball. And Stinky.
I don't know if Sonny's playing.
He said, Mom, it can't get any better than this. I'm playing with the ball, playing with my trucks, and I'm Stinky.
Kind of.
Good, nice bounce pass.
Got a wallet.
Good.
You were a little earlier.
He's trying.
Oh, Adriel. Oh.
Good job.
David, your
He's
turn.
mimicking. There you go.
Yeah. Dribbles.
No shortage of attention needed here. Everyone wants a little bit.
David's like, it's my turn, it's my turn.
All right.
No,
Okay.
no, let him do it.
Karen.
Karen, let David do it.
Karen.
There you go.
Let David do
Hey,
it.
Karen.
Karen. Karen.
Leave
Let
it.
David do it.
All right, here you go, Karen.
Okay, David.
Good pass.
You like the red one, David?